Hello everyone. Today, we will look at the DIY proof of concept project AI Vehicle Predictive Maintenance, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. You all know that every vehicle makes its own engine sound. But did you know that this sound can tell us if the engine is working well or if there's a problem? Now, imagine if we could find these problems early before they become big and costly. That's what this simple DIY project is all about. How are we doing this? This project uses AI to listen to engine sounds all the time. With a Google tool called Teachable Machine, we teach the AI to know the difference between a normal engine sound and a bad one. If the sound is not normal, the AI quickly sends an alert. Once the AI spots an issue, it sends a message to the Indus board coin, which is a small control board. The Indus board coin processes that alert and takes action. This project can be developed by electronics hobbyists, engineering students, and anyone with a basic understanding of AI and microcontrollers. If you are interested in combining machine learning with hardware, this project is for you. Even tech-savvy auto technicians or DIY enthusiasts can build it, as it requires only basic coding, sound recording, and network setup skills. It's a great hands-on project for learning predictive maintenance using AI. Let us see the demonstration first. This is our device we have developed using an Indus board coin. On turning on the audio of a faulty motor on our phone, you can see that you will get a message on your browser telling you that the engine is in fault. Also, the LED on the Indus board coin glows as an indicator. Likewise, you can also see the exact output on your web server while playing the engine sound. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. Indus board coin is the microcontroller. It acts like the brain of the system. It receives alerts from the AI model, blinking an LED for faults, and hosting a web page that shows engine status. A laptop or computer to run the teachable machine model in a browser. It listens to engine sounds through the microphone and detects if anything is wrong. Built-in or an external microphone to capture real-time engine sounds so the AI model can listen and decide if the sound is normal or faulty. Onboard or an external LED used as a visual alert. It blinks when the AI model detects a problem in the engine sound. There is no circuit to assemble as we are using onboard LED on the Indus board coin as a visual alert. The first step is to train the ML model. To do so, we will record a few samples of background noise, a smooth working engine noise, and a faulty engine noise to create the database. The second step is to write code for the Indus board coin on Arduino IDE. Define the Wi-Fi credentials in the beginning. In the setup function, initialize the serial monitor and the LED pin. Now connect to Wi-Fi and start the web server. In the infinite loop, handle the incoming client request. This is the HTML code to host a web server. Next is the ML model code configuration to link the ML model to the Indus board coin. The last step is to deploy and run the ML model. Now, by playing the motor sound on your mobile phone, you can test your trained ML model. Voila, it works. So, what did you learn? Learned how to use Teachable Machine to detect sounds. Learned how to record and train AI to know good and bad engine sounds. Learned how to run the AI model in a web browser. Interested in developing your own AI vehicle predictive maintenance system? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.